In this video, I'm going to show you how to start an online business and the 3 steps to making $1,400 or more in a day with this business. So you don't need tech skills, you don't need a following, you don't need any experience, you don't have to get on the phone with people, you don't have to cold message strangers, you don't have to bother your friends and family, and you don't have to pay for ads to do this. You just need Wi-Fi, your phone, and about 2 hours a day, and we teach you how to promote your business using social media. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk. And now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. So I started this business after my company cut my pay because I decided I didn't want to be overworked and underpaid until the day I die. And what I love about the business is the fact that it's fully automated, which allows me to make money while I'm sleeping. And I get to keep 100% of the profits with something called master resale rights. So you have resale rights to digital products that you don't even have to create yourself. That's how you're able to earn on 100% profit because it's not multi-level marketing. It's not affiliate marketing. It's high ticket marketing with master resale rights. So we earn 100% profit per sale. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay. I'm not guaranteeing any results. Everything is based on your effort. Just like I've made thousands of dollars with this business. I've been building this business for over 2 years now, and it's all based on my effort. So I have experience building this business, which is why I can explain everything in detail. So if you have any questions at any time during this video, just drop it in the comments and let me know where you're watching from. And if you want to learn more about this business, or if you want to get started with this business at any time, all you got to do is go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. That is my website. So all you got to do is go there, enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint, and you're going to have free access to a PDF that shows you how to make your first 10K with digital marketing. And then you can watch the videos and then if you have any questions, just reply to my emails. Okay, so now let me show you how like this business and every business on the planet works, basically. Okay, so step number one, you need an offer. The offer is the thing that you're selling. Okay, that can be a product, it can be a service, it can be an opportunity, it can be your own offer, or it can be somebody else's offer, right? With this business, I'm showing you how to sell other people's offers and keep 100% profit, but we teach you all the things. Like we teach you how to create your own offer and how to promote it as well. But you want to sell something where you can earn 100% profit, okay? So we earn 100% profit here. We don't split our commissions. Step number two, you need to automate your business. You need a system to automate your business. This allows you to make money in your sleep. So how does that work? I'm going to show you what it looks like in a second. But basically, when somebody goes to your domain, like my domain is sevenfiguremonk.com, we show you how to get your domain. When somebody goes to your domain, they click on your link, they go here to your capture page. So you're building your email list, okay? They put their email in, then they're watching videos. The videos are doing the selling. They're getting emails from you. So the emails are following up with your leads, your potential customers for you, and they go to your website and they buy stuff. So step number three is a strategy. How do we get people to go to our website? Well, that's marketing, right? That's advertising, okay? So there's 4 basic ways to do that. There's paid ads. There's warm outreach. That means bothering friends and family. There's cold outreach. That means cold messaging strangers. And there's free content, like posting free content to social media or posting free ads, okay? So that's the strategy. And we basically have a 2-hour workday. So you can post 3 pieces of content a day. You can go live on social media. You can also post free ads. Let's just say you do 30 minutes each. 30 minutes posting content, 30 minutes going live, 30 minutes posting free ads. That's an hour and a half. After that, you just got to follow up with any messages or emails that you have. And then you just go through some training inside of our community or inside of our program. Okay. So that's basically how this business and every business works, right? Every business has an offer that they're selling and they have a website or a store that people can go to purchase, right? So you just got to drive as much traffic as possible. You got to send as many people as possible to your website. But first they start by going here to the capture page. Then they go through and they go to your website. Okay. So we're just building our email list. The goal is to get like 20 emails a day because 1 out of 20 generally are buying inside of our inside of like the statistics, like 1 out of 20 are generally buying. So the goal is to get at least 20 emails a day. If you have any questions, drop in the comments. If you want to get started, sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the bio. Now let me share my screen and I'll show you exactly what this business looks like. And I'm going to show you what you need to do to build your business. Okay. So let me share my screen real quick. Now this is our system that we use. It's a sales funnel like I was talking about. This is the capture page. Okay. This is a done for you pre-built system. You just got to set it up, which you can set up in a few hours. So like that's my picture. You can put your picture here. Capture page, people put their email in. After they put their email in, they go to this page. Okay. Well, they go to this page, which is the thank you video. They watch this video. The video is doing the selling. They can click on the button. And when they click on the button, they go to the website. And there's another video we send on people's emails. Okay. So It's like this. This is what it's like. That is the system, right? And they go to this website here, and this is where they can buy from you. So this is a pre-built system, right? This is what the website looks like. So what is this exactly? It's a beginner-friendly program to build online income, flexibility, and freedom. And what do we sell? 5 digital programs in the e-learning industry. And also, this is a global business opportunity. We teach you how to build recurring income streams. We teach you how to monetize on social media. We teach email marketing, affiliate marketing. We teach you how to create your own digital products, UGC, brand deals, TikTok shop, and you become certified in digital marketing. Okay. We have over 59,000 people in our community. We did $29 million in sales by reselling these programs that we sell in 10 months. And we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Okay. I'm just showing you what the website looks like, give you a little brief overview. Here's some testimonials on your website. So this is exactly what your website's going to look like. Why do people love this? It's beginner friendly. There's a 2-hour workday. It's available in English and Spanish. Simple steps and tools to follow. No tech overwhelm. You get to keep every dollar you make, up to $1,400 per sale, and you learn how to attract daily customers. Okay. And you're not doing this alone. There's a community for training and support. And this is your bio section. All you got to do is put your picture here in your bio, and we show you how to set this up. And then why is this perfect for you? Because you want to make extra income. You want financial security outside of a job. You want to work from anywhere. You want reliable income streams. You want a flexible, family-friendly business. You've tried other things that they didn't work, and you want to see real results. You want something that's proven and step by step. More testimonies, okay? We teach you how to use AI like ChatGPT, Claude, and all these other different AI tools. We teach you how to use AI to build your business, which is great. And then you become certified. You become a certified reseller. There's a certification training you can go through. Takes a couple hours. So you become a certified reseller of the programs, and you become certified in digital marketing. And it's a global business. So you can get customers from any part of the world. Okay. And this shows you what you're going to learn inside while you earn. Okay. It's going to show you there's a 6-phase process. You're going to go through this process: foundation, attraction, engagement, conversion, leveraging, monetize. Okay. And then here's the products. Okay. Here's the programs that we're selling: 5 digital programs in the e-learning industry. So they sell from 100, 300, 600, 900, and 1400. Okay. It's a one-time investment. I also invested 0 monthly fees. So if you want to start this business, if you want to get access to the business, to this system, and to our community, you purchase one of the programs. So I recommend the $1,400 program because it's the best. If you go with the $1,400 program, you get 10 income streams: 5 in English and 5 in Spanish, right? And you can only earn at the level that you're at and below. So if you go with the 900, you don't have access to Spanish, but you can earn 900, 600, 300, and 100, right? But if you start at the 100, you can only earn at that level. So you can only earn $100 commissions, right? So you want to start at the highest level. The $1,400 commissions are nice. All you need 4 sales a month, and you're making $5,600 a month, which is an extra $70K a year. You get 6 sales a month, then you're making $6K. You're making 6 figures a year. Okay. So 6 sales a month is all you need to have a 6-figure business, making $100K a year with the business. Okay. So there's different levels that people can join at. If you start at the lower level, you have to upgrade. You can always upgrade at any time to the higher level, right? So you want to start at the highest level possible. And then we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. And once you get your first sale, your business is free. Everything after that is profit. Okay. And here's all the trainings, like the bonuses. You get access to our community, different trainings. You get to learn how to do faceless, how to create your own products, how to build your community. So that's basically, this is what the website looks like. It's really clean website. It's like, you can compare it to like Apple. It's kind of like very similar to Apple's website. Very clean, very easy, very nice on the eyes. Okay. So let's say you purchase one of the programs and you're ready to go. You're going to have access to your program inside of Kajabi. So this is where you access your programs and your trainings. You just go here, start here, you watch all the videos. That's what we're selling. We're selling these programs that teach you how to make 7 figures online. So you just go through the programs, and then this shows you how to set up your website. Okay, you go to the website setup. Okay, this shows you how to set up your system. These pages, it shows you how to set these pages up. Like I said, you can do it in a few hours. You just got to go here. It shows you what accounts you need to set, that you need to open if you don't have them. And then, yeah, it shows you how to go to GoDaddy and get your domain. My domain's 7-Figure Monk. Okay, so you got to go get your domain. Shows you how to do that. And then it shows you how to set up your payment accounts like Square, PayPal, Stripe, etc. This is how you receive your payments. You get paid directly to you. You're not getting paid through the company. You are the company. Okay. And then, yeah, it shows you how to connect your system to your domain. And then once you're finished, you're going to have these pages out there working for you 24/7, making you money while you're living your life or doing anything. Okay. So that's it. And also, Your certification training is here. You go through your certification training, and then all your bonuses are here. So there it is. That's the inside of Kajabi. That's where you access your program. And now if we go inside of our community, this is actually my community right here. You can also join that for free. But here's our big community. There's 59,000 people in our community. And let's go to the win section. Okay, let's see proof that people are making money by reselling these programs. See, people can post whatever wins they want. This person got their first lead, which is their first potential customer. Okay. Dennis woke up to a $100 sale. He said, what a nice way to start the week, right? There's 5 programs, 100, 300, 600, 900, and 1400. You keep 100% profit. Okay. This person, Evan, had a $300 sale on Easter Monday. Automation's at work again, he says. Okay, she made $800 during Easter weekend. She made $700 during Easter weekend. And you can see, yeah, there's the proof. There's so many wins. There's like almost 1 million pages of wins, almost. There's over 900,000 wins because there's 30 wins per page and there's like 35,000 pages. So it's a lot of wins. There's your proof. Okay. Classroom is like getting started. Go here. This is going to show you more about the program and the community. We do these 90-day runs. We teach you how to make 30K in 90 days. So imagine if you go through one of these runs and you generate 30K in the next 90 days. Like, how would that help you, right? Wouldn't that be nice if you start having $1,400 days, you start replacing your full-time income with this part-time work, building your business on the side around your schedule. Okay, all these, bonus trainings and mentoring call replays, all that stuff is here. Calendar shows you when we have our events, our live events. Like we have a millionaire mentoring call today. We have tech calls if you need help with your tech, like if you need help setting up your system. We have tech calls there for you and for your customers. There's 24/7 support inside of our community, okay? And if you have any questions, all you got to do is write something, ask your questions based on the different categories, okay? And when you get started, just go and introduce yourself to the community once you get started. Okay. And yeah, that's the community. And like I said, we have the 2-hour workday. So to promote your business, you just got to use social media. You can also post free ads, right? To promote your business. And we teach you how to do that. For example, let's go to my YouTube channel and you'll see, let me go to my page. Okay, here's my page, right? And I promote my business with this page. Like I'll do videos like this, which is a long form video. So like either I'm promoting my business or I'm giving mindset tips or marketing tips. That's pretty much what my YouTube channel is all about. So here's my long form videos that I do over 10 minutes. Here's my short form videos that I do. Okay. I do talking videos. I do like 7-second videos with words on the screen. Okay. I do all these kind of things. My lives, I go live on YouTube and I go live on TikTok. So my lives are recorded too. And I create different playlists about different things. And I also create little posts like this. This is a value post, nothing to do with my business, pure value post. Okay, business post. So I mix up the business and I mix up the value. That's what I do. And that's what I recommend everybody does. You want to mix the business and the value. Okay. And here's like my TikTok, for example, one of my TikToks right here, short form videos. Most of my videos are talking videos, less than a minute or less. I create different videos. And again, it's like a mixture of value and a mixture of business. Okay. And we teach you how to do all this stuff. And then you can also post free ads. I'll show you how to post a free ad, right? So you can post ads all over the world for free. Okay, there's different websites you can go to. We have training for this. I'm in Michigan. I live in Ann Arbor. So I'm going to do in Ann Arbor. This is a money-making opportunity, right? So people are looking for ways to make money online, build wealth. Okay, let's do side hustle. Okay. So I've been here many times. So I'm going to show you, this is how I post a free ad. See how long it takes? It will take me like, honestly, like a minute to post this ad. It'll take me like a minute or less, honestly. So look, I'm just copying, I'm pasting. Okay, my ad's there. I can fill out this these details here. Passive income, time commitment is flexible. You can do it whenever you want. Skill level, no experience. Payout frequency, potentially daily. Okay, my company name, 7-Figure Monk. There you go. Then I just got to put a picture here, right? I already got all these pictures. So where are they? Let's find it. Desktop. Posting ad pics. Where is it? Yeah, here's his. Okay. Then I can post one of these pics. Let's post this one. All right. And that's it. And now I just press, I got to do this, enter the digits, 0210. Now let me post my ad. And boom. Let's see what my ad looks like. It looks like this. This is what my ad looks like. Cool, cool. I'll put this little picture here from AI. And yeah, that's that. But I want to edit it a little bit because the spacing didn't look very good. So I'm going to go here. Okay, I'm going to edit this ad because I don't like how they spaced it out. I don't know why they did that. So let me fix the spacing a little bit, make it a little cleaner on the eyes, like this, like, okay, boom, like that. Okay, let me do a space here, space here, space here. Okay, like that, and that, and there you go. See, didn't take very long to do this. Now I'm gonna edit it, post it. There it is. Let's go to the ad. Let's see what it looks like. It looks like this. Cool, cool. Okay, somebody can go check out my ad. Now let's say somebody goes to my ad and they go to my website. Look, click here. They go to my website. You see, it's in there, and boom. So let's say I make $1,400. Wouldn't it be nice if I made $1,400 from this? Heck yeah, it would. Okay, so I showed you everything. If you want to get started, go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. You want to learn more, go there. Enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. You can reply to my emails if you have questions. You can unsubscribe at any time. Okay, so make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. If you know somebody who's struggling financially, they're looking for extra ways to make money, then just share this video with them. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, and God bless.